Hi everybody!
Welcome back to
Hobie's Nature Club. Today we're going to go on an adventure.
Yeah. Can we go to the woods to do our adventure?
That would be a brilliant idea. And what should we do in the woods?
Have a picnic.
Have a picnic? Yeah, and what activity would you like to do?
Have a scavenger
A
hunt.
scavenger hunt? That's a great idea. So we've got a lovely sunny day today, so we're going to head out now. See you in a bit.
All the sticks now.
I think they might have.
Oh, but there's one here.
Yeah. What is it? Pine cones.
What do they turn into?
You know the pine cones that we made with the squirrel, like this? What happens when it's warm and they go in the sun, they start opening up, remember, so the seeds can come out. Maybe.
What?
And have a look at this one. Loads of insects around it. Loads of bugs around this fungi, look. Look. Just trying to find a nice place to have our picnic, aren't we, Hobie?
Yeah.
Where do you think we could sit around here?
Oh, on that log.
Oh, that's a good idea. But should we have a look first and see if there's anything under it? Just in case there is. Oh, sorry.
So we don't squash
Just see
it.
if we find your bug pot first.
Yeah.
There you go. Which one do you want to use? Your little one or your big one?
Use the two. And you use the big.
Okay, so should we have a look under this log? Are you strong enough to move it, do you think?
No.
I think you are. Have a go. Oh, strong! Go, go, go! Oh, what's that? Look! Under there, lots of ants. It's an ant's nest, isn't it?
Yes,
Anything else? Oh, look, there's a little spider. Should we try and get him?
Yeah. Look at this. I got a spider in here.
Oh, yeah, he's cool, isn't he?
Yeah.
And how many legs has a spider got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
More than that.
10.
No.
Yeah, 8.
8.
Scooby didn't.
Wow, look at all those ants.
Scooby didn't sit on it.
That's a good job we didn't sit on it. What would they have done to our bottoms?
Ow, 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 ow.
Who's that? Is it him?
Yeah.
What is it?
Don't shake it.
You know what it is. It's our woodlouse. What do woodlouse do? Can you remember?
They can breathe underwater.
They can breathe underwater, which we learned the other day that woodlouse actually have gills that they can breathe underwater. It's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
But they also eat all the debris and all the dead leaves and things, so they're good at clearing. Woodlouse are really good for clearing. And what's cool about woodlouse? What do they do when they're scared?
Go in the pool.
Go crawl into a little ball, don't they? Roll into a little ball. Can you see any more?
No.
No more. Should we go and find some more?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
And let's put that back on there.
Oh yeah, good idea. Can you see it? Can you see what we found? What is it?
It's a caterpillar.
It is the hairiest caterpillar I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Look at him.
And he's
beautiful.
soft.
Soft, doesn't he?
We can't touch him, though.
No, we can't touch him because we don't know what he is. Should we see if we got him in our book?
Yeah.
Should we see if we can find out who he is?
Yeah.
Okay. Caterpillar, look how many there are. 7, 9, 11, lemonette.
Like black tummy
Oh really?
and orange on top.
Really? And what did you say would feel like if you could touch him? Fluffy. Do you know what he's called?
No.
He's called a fox moth. And do you know why he's called a moth?
No.
What is he going to turn into?
Moth.
A moth, exactly. So caterpillars that we find eventually make a chrysalis around them, and they hang from a tree for a while, and then they turn into either a beautiful
butterfly
or a moth that comes out at night time. Good find, Hobie.
Where you find it?
Oh, good find, Mummy.
Bye.
Bye. Nice find.
Oh, I know.
You're gonna put that one.
Right.
Oh, this is taking a long time, isn't it? You get that one. Oh, I'm gonna get this massive one this time to show everyone how strong I am. Need to help you? I think we're nearly done. Are we gonna have our picnic in here? Yeah? Wow, look at this. You're gonna go in. Lie down and go to sleep.
I'm getting all the sticks out.
You know what you can do next with these dens?
What?
You can make grass bricks. So all these bits of grass, you see, there, you gather them all together, like that, and then you lay them down. You could layer it and layer it up. And you know the ferns that we just saw over there, the brown ferns?
Yeah.
They would be brilliant for those bricks. Do you want to make one? Scrape it. Oh, that's it. And you put it on top of mine. There you go. See what I mean? So we're making walls. And actually, that would stop the wind. So if we were stuck out here, we could sleep in there, couldn't we?
Yeah.
I'm pretty tired now, aren't you? Should we have our picnic?
Yeah.
Come on then. This is Hobie's favourite part of any adventure outdoors, isn't it, Hobie?
Yeah.
The picnic. Here you go. Whoa,
Whoa.
That's a big bag of food.
I got this puppy. Got this. Oh, I thought those are the waiting pieces.
So we need to be still now. Sometimes in nature, you don't always get what you want straight away. Sometimes you have to sit and wait and be quiet. Over there, in the tree. Over there, where I'm pointing, look, over there. See it? Under the branches. See it? Oh yeah.
I knew it.
Can't see him. Maybe look.
Oh.
Look.
A centipede.
Whoa!
Whoa.
There he goes. He's
Whoa.
cool. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's really cool.
There he is. So why is he called a centipede?
Because he got 6 legs.
600!
100 legs.
Come on, let's go home. Oh, but remember,
Have fun in nature. Remember to nurture.
bye.